Hello everyone, so today we are going to be making a spicy chicken pasta and we're going to do it with chicken cut into dices, and then we are going to be using Oscar's original spice today. So all you need to do is cut them up into pieces, and then we are going to season them all with Oscar's spice. So you can either use the original one, the fiery one, or the mild one, depending on what you like. Them all, or you can just use a bit, depends how many you're going to be cooking for at home. And then we are going to tip in the Oscar's spice. So you can use as much or as little as you like, and then we are going to leave just in the fridge for a while just to marinate. So while the chicken is in the fridge marinating, then you can prepare the other ingredients that you're going to put into your chicken pasta. So today I'm going to use orange peppers, green peppers and red peppers. We're also going to use onion, spring onions and minced garlic. Once you've done that, you can pop them in the fridge until we're ready to do the chicken. Okay, so now the chicken has been marinating for about an hour, so we're just going to add it to a pan with some oil in, and we're just going to cook it through till it's nice and cooked. Okay, once the chicken has cooked thoroughly through, we've also had on the go a pot of pasta. We're cooking that until it's nearly done, because we're going to finish cooking it in with the chicken. So we're just going to take the chicken out and pop it to the side for a minute. We're going to leave all of those juices in there, and then we're going to get what we prepared earlier. So we're going to get our garlic, our peppers, our onions, and we're just going to pop it all in together. And we're just going to let it simmer down until it's a little bit softer. So now that that's simmered down, we're going to add a little bit of vegetable stock into here, or chicken stock, whichever you prefer. And I'm just going to mix all of that in. And we are also going to add in a little bit of heavy cream. I'm just going to mix all of that round. So it just depends how much you want to add in. It's roughly, of cream, it's roughly about 80 mils. So while that's thickening up, we're just going to drain off our pasta. And then also you can add some grated cheese as well if you want to. I'm just going to add in a handful of cheese, just to make the sauce a little bit thicker. And then we're going to tip in the chicken, and you can put all those juices back in as well. So give it a good mix around and just let that thicken up a little bit. Once this is thickened up a little bit, then we're going to add our pasta. Okay, so if we add the pasta in now as well. Just give that a big stir around so all the pasta gets covered in the sauce. And then you can leave to simmer. Okay, so once the food is all cooked to how you want, then you can serve. Today we are having with fried dumplings, but you can choose a side of your choice. I hope you enjoy the recipe.